Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to take a look at the best cash out refinance lenders and companies that you can use in order to do a cash out refinance on your current mortgage and your home. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. Of course, if you want to check out any of the companies or lenders we mentioned here in today's video, check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into, again, the best and cash out refinance companies and lenders for getting a cash out refinance. Now, first off, of course, I do want to first go into what is a cash out refinance. Now, in a nutshell, in short, according to NerdWallet, as you can see here, a cash out refinance is a way to access cash by replacing your current mortgage with a new, larger loan. Essentially, you're able to take out a new mortgage for more than you currently owe on your existing mortgage. Now, the purpose and types that you can go into, of course, again, you're replacing your existing loan with a new, larger one, allowing you to receive the difference as a lump sum of cash, right? So you're staring at your home, maybe you want to tap into some of your equity. That's one way that you can do it. And this cash can be used for various different purposes, right? Such as home improvements, consolidating debt, or paying for other large expenses. And it's a way to tap into your home's equity, but it will likely increase your mortgage balance, which may lead to higher monthly payments, especially if interest rates haven't risen since your original loan. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, it does depend on each person's loan and your specific financial situation as to whether it may or may not make sense for you. And maybe you want to explore other alternative loan options when it comes to tapping into your home equity. Again, we're going to be covering some of that as well in this video, but we're going to be focusing on primarily, again, cash out refinancing and cash out refinance lenders and options. And of course, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list of, again, the best cash out refinance loans. This also will include some home equity and HELOC options, but again, the main focus is for the best cash out refi loans and options when it comes to different lenders. Now, if you want to get access to this page here, done in partnership with themoney.com, you can check out that first link down below in the video description. That will take you right over to this page here, where you can see the most up-to-date list of the top loans for cash out refinancing and cash out refinancing options. Again, this page will be up to date, so no matter when you're watching this video, you'll get the most up-to-date list, again, at the link in the video description, that first link. And you can also type in your zip code so you get matched with lenders that are specific to your area to make sure that they cover your region as well. So diving into it, again, taking a look at that first spot here we have for today's video is Rocket Mortgage. Now, Rocket Mortgage, you can get quotes and pre-qualify quickly, and they have home equity loans and cash out refinancing options. They offer low rates with a quick quote and approval, and you can save time on documents and paperwork, and they also offer variable rate lines of credit. They have over 133,000 originations. They are one of the top mortgage originators in the country. And if you take a look at view rates at the link in the video description, you'll take them right over to this page here, where you can select if you want to refinance, or maybe if you're even looking for other options, you can also buy a home or use your current equity in other ways. But if you're looking just as a specific refinancing option, again, that's going to be that first goal here. And then you just select that and go through their online application process, where you can see what you qualify for. Again, it just takes about 3 minutes at the first link in the video description, and you can select refinancing, and it'll go through their online application portal. Moving in at number 2 we have for today's video is Amerisave Mortgage, and you can find a home equity option that works for you. You can unlock cash from within your home with a cash out refinance, or you can also take their online loan application process and you can turn your home equity into the cash that you need. And they have over $100 billion funded with 21 years in business. And if we click view rates, it will take you right over this page here, where you can select how much cash you want, right? How much cash you want to take out on a cash out refinance. So you can do less than 25K, or you can do all the way up to even 2 million. Again, it depends on your home's value and what, so you can speak to a loan expert, go through their online applications process. But depending on how much cash out you want, again, just consider, what you currently owe versus your equity and what your current property value is worth. Again, you can talk to their loan experts to get more details about your specific property as to how much cash you can take out, but you can at least start with how much cash you want, right? How much cash do you need? Maybe it's an upcoming home improvement project that you want to use this cash for. Again, that can be a good way to improve and increase your overall property value in the long run. So that can make sense, especially if rates are maybe in a better spot, or depending on your personal financial situation. Again, it does depend on when you're watching this video as to what rates currently are. So do just keep that in mind. But with Amerisave Mortgage, again, you can go through their online application process, and you can be guided exactly as to what the best process is for you. Again, how much cash you want, and what you want to take out. Moving in at number 3, we have is Figure. Now, Figure does offer flexible terms, and you can redraw up to 100% and borrow up to $750K. And they offer approval in just 5 minutes and funding in as few as 5 days. And you can use this money to consolidate debt or finance your next home improvement project. And they have a 100% digital app and online appraisal. And although this is required and requested for people with good or excellent credit, again, your credit score will impact this process. So if you have a better credit score, you're probably going to get better rates at the end of the day. Maybe that's the reason to refinance in the first place. Again, can be another thing to consider there as well, depending on your current mortgage situation and what that looks like. Again, if you want to view rates with Figure, it'll take you right over this page here. We can enter in your details, your name, email, phone number, and you can get your rates. Again, checking your rate will not impact your credit. So that's one of the nice benefits with Figure, is you can at least kind of see what you qualify for with their online application and see, what kind of funds you're actually able to get. Again, you don't have to wait for an in-person appraisal. It's one of the nice benefits of using a company like Figure. Moving along, next in this list at number 4, we have is Achieve Loans. Now, Achieve Loans, they do offer a HELOC, which is a home equity line of credit. A little different from a traditional cash out refinance, but I figured I would include them in this list as well because it could be another alternative. Again, I have more HELOC related videos on the channel if you do want to check those out. But this can be another way to lower your monthly payments, as they do offer competitive rates, and you can pre-qualify in minutes with flexible terms and fast funding, and they have mortgage advisors that are ready to help you. Now, it is recommended you have at least a FICO score of 640 plus to go and view the rates with Achieve Loans. Take a look here at their page. Again, you can see how much you want to borrow. You can go anywhere from $15K all the way up to $300K with their home equity loans, and you can use that money to tackle anything that you want to do, right? Whether it be a project or you want to pay down some debt, anything you want to do, you can use that equity in your home, consolidate debt, lower monthly payments, or reduce your overall stress. Again, you can get a low fixed rate directly through Achieve. And again, members save an average of $10K per year with more money in your pocket. And they do offer one easy monthly payment. Again, it can be a good option for you if you're looking into different home equity types of loans. Again, whether that be a cash out refinance, a home equity loan, or a HELOC. Again, all of them are a little bit different from one another. Again, a lot of these companies do offer them, so figured I would include that here. Now, looking at next in this list, we have is Unlock, which allows you to access home equity without taking on additional debt. They offer no monthly interest payment with a fast and easy application process. They have flexible terms and access up to $500K with a home equity agreement. This is an HEA. If we take a look here at Unlock, again, that will take you right over this page here. All you have to do is enter in your property address. Now, this is recommended for people with at least a 500 plus credit score, and that is at least their minimum requirements here. You can go ahead and get pre-qualified at the links in the video description. You can type in your address and see what you qualify for with Unlock. Moving on, next in this list, and we have is Avon. Now, Avon also offers HELOCs. Again, I figured I would add them to this list because it can still be a good option for some people. And they have credit limits from $5,000 all the way up to $400K in home equity. And it's a 100% online process, and you can easily apply in as fast as 15 minutes. And they do have a lowest HELOC rate guarantee, or get $250. And you can check your offer with no impact to your credit score, and that is Avon. You can view your rates. Again, they really primarily focus on HELOCs, but again, it can be just another way that you might want to tap into your home equity. So I figured I would include them in this list as a potential option. Again, it's not exactly a cash out refinancing option like some of the other companies you mentioned earlier in this list, but I figured I would add them because it still could be useful to some of you guys watching this video as just another option and offer that you may want to consider when you're looking at getting access to some level of your home equity again, and getting again, it's a growing home equity tied to your house. Again, can be something that you might want to look into as an alternative to a traditional loan or a cash out refinance. So moving on, next in this list we have is HomeTap. So HomeTap offers home equity sharing, and they have a no cash due at closing with no monthly payments necessary. You can borrow up to $600K, and it's only 25% equity required and no prepayment penalties. We click at view rates, it will take you right over to this page here where you can tap into your home equity. equity. Again, you can skip the monthly payments. They offer up to $600K with fast funding. All you have to do is enter in your zip code to get an estimate. Again, this is home tap. Again, another way to tap into your home equity. Again, whether you want to, pay off debt, fund an education, fund a life event, home improvements, a small business, retirement, diversifying your portfolio. Again, there's a lot of different options when it comes to tapping into your home equity. And this is one of those companies that can help you with that overall process. Again, it's a pretty simple, straightforward process depending on what your to-do list is, right? You want to pay down debt, you want to do a home improvement project. Again, all that can be an option here. With Home Tap, again, you can see if you pre-qualify with Home Tap. Again, in as little as 2 minutes, you can get an estimate at the links in the video description. So guys, that pretty much rounds out this list of some of the best cash out refinance and home equity loan options. Again, our editors have selected the best cash out refinance and home equity loan providers. We've also looked at other ways that you can help tap into your home equity. So you can use the reviews and comparisons to determine which option is right for you. Again, this page with that first link down below in the video description. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.